Hi guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. So in this video we are going to be learning how to create vitiligo skin on our Metahuman. So first things first, we're going to add in the base skin, so the base color and the normal map, all of this exported from Unreal Engine. Always make sure to rename your layers so everything is organized. So the next layer I created is the light skin. That would be the vitiligo patches. And here I'm changing the projection to fill. And I'm renaming my layer. Next I'm going to add a black mask and then a fill layer to my black mask. So on this fill layer I'm going to load in a mask called Cloud 2, and this is literally the patches. I'm going to invert it and toggle my contrast slider all the way to 1, and voila, we have our patches. So all you just have to do now is to play with the tiling and the positioning. You see here I'm opening up my 2D window in order to have more freedom with how I want the patches placed on my face. So next thing you do is just to duplicate that same layer and use your transform tools to move the patches around. So for the next few minutes you see me playing around with the positioning of my patches and like putting them in my places of choice. Once you're satisfied with the patches, you go ahead and export. For this video I'm using Blender to test out what the skin would look like in a render engine. So I'm just exporting all my textures in order to bring it into Blender. Here in Blender, I'm just bringing in my textures, and now we're going to see it in our render view cycles. And voila, that's how you create vitiligo skin, guys. Bye.